So you've been to court and have an order. Or you were able to avoid court and agree upon a consent order. But now the other side isn't doing what the order says. What can you do to make sure the order is enforced? I'm Jenny Bradley, owner of Triangle Smart Divorce in Cary, North Carolina. One of the most frustrating aspects of family law is going to court with a client or negotiating a consent order in mediation and then the other side not doing what was ordered. You think everything is resolved, but it really isn't if the other side won't comply. So what can you do? You can file a motion and ask the court to hold the other person in contempt for not following the order. Maybe you don't want to start off with going back to court. So what else can you do? You can try to persuade the other person to follow the order. Maybe they aren't organized and they simply forgot the drop-off time on Wednesdays is at 6 p.m. when it's 7 p.m. for all the other custody exchanges. Hey, it happens. Maybe they can't get a check in the mail to you on time, but they would be willing to do Venmo or direct deposit. We always encourage our clients to try to find out why the other side isn't following the order and see if we can solve those problems before filing for contempt. Why is that our advice? If you've seen our other videos, you know how we feel about avoiding court if you can. I won't beat a dead horse here, other than to say, sometimes if you can identify the problem and provide solutions, then that little bit of empathy will help with future compliance a lot more than an order for contempt. But sometimes contempt is your best option. Like in cases where the other side has the ability to follow the order and is just thumbing their nose at the court. You know the type. The ones that don't really like authority. The ones that say no one can tell them what to do. This is where having a judge really helps you because the judge will tell them what to do and can force compliance in many ways, such as modifying the custody order, making up visitation time, jail time, fines, warnings, transferring assets, or even making them pay your attorney's fees. What path to take to enforce your order is a complex question. It's one we've helped many clients with, unfortunately. If you're sick and tired of your order not being followed, give us a call. We can help.